Saving money can be really hard in today's economy, but Coupert is here and is going to help you save exactly that. Now, you can earn all kinds of cash backs from over 70,000 different stores online. Now, these stores I'm talking about are like Walmart, they're Amazon, Adidas, Walgreens, even. All of these stores are going to help you get your cash back. Want to spend your cash back how you want? Well, Coupert is going to let you do that as well. So you can also withdraw that cash back to your PayPal account, for example. So let's take a deep dive and look at what Coupert has to offer, right? So there's around 8 million weekly active users on Coupert, and they work with over 200,000 merchants, and they update very regularly all of the coupons that you have. Also, they have an app available for you, and they have a web extension. Now, I have the web extension available right now for me, but it's very, very simple to use. But let's kind of go over what's going on, right? So here we're sitting at Coupert, and I would urge you to go to the link in the description and try it for yourself as well. You're going to see your cash offers, some surveys you can do, click and earn. You can even submit a coupon. And just kind of taking a look here, when you look at the stores, it's going to pop up just like this. Now it's loading up. Now here you can download the free extension, and you have Temu for those of you that will do Temu. You have AliExpress about 0.5% to 3.8% cash back as well. You have Walgreens, they have 30 available coupons. So when we click on this one, we're just letting it up. It's activating cash back, and they're going to redirect us to the store page, and we're going to take a look. All right, so here we can look at some of their. We have up to 25% off for some Doritos, the summer essentials, right? We have an extreme 15% off. And now when you notice, you see the 1.4% cash back activated. That is the web extension taking place. Now, we can say if we're satisfied or we're not satisfied. We can click on here, and now we have cash back here. And we can order lenses, though if you notice I have glasses, so I actually would take big advantage of getting some contacts. And here is our Coupert code. Now let's make this just a little bit smaller here for you. Now when I click on Coupert, now because we're on the store of Walgreens, and you can see we're right here, we can see the 30 available coupons, right? So all summer 50, that's our coupon, and we'll just collect that right here. And let me just move this. And as we're loading it up, yeah, here we go. So we have exclusive discounts available for us, like apps 40 right here. It's verified. It worked 1 hour ago. Submit the code, earn rewards, and we can go to 40% off right here. All things 40% off with the code. So what we'll do is click on this one, and then we'll start to add stuff to our shopping cart, right? Like I said, the lenses is pretty important for me, so I'll just click order lenses, and we're letting it go. And then let's say we can shop for lens solution, right? And we can get the code 30%, but right here, let's just go down and let's just say we want to the clear care. We can add that to the cart. $19.99. Cart is empty, so let's go back, and we're just going to make sure that is added to the cart. And it's just kind of loading up right now. Okay, now it's telling us where we can actually pick it up. We can have the same day delivery, and we can have shipping. I'm going to select shipping, and then we're going to view the card. Now, what we'll do is we'll go to apply coupons, 16 coupons found, and you can see that the Coupert works right here. So we can apply the coupons, and it's applying it. So let's take a look. It's finding all the coupons best for us, and it's testing all of the coupons to make sure they work and applying them as we need it. So it was around $34, and it's already getting cheaper. All right, now we're at 7 of 16, 18. And we have 12, we have 13, we have 14, 15 of these, and 16. Now we got the best ones where we found it, right? So we can continue to check out, and we can apply the code. All things 40, and there we go. Now, 1999, we have our codes going in. So this is going to show us, well, what we're going to get, and so we're going to be able to check the coupons for us, so that way you get the best deal. Now, Coupert is not just limited with that. Now, we can get that cash back. Once we get that cash back, we could, like I said earlier, we could have that sent to our PayPal account or a bank card as well. And you can check out the different stores. You can even download the app with a QR code for you as well, and they have it for you on your phone as well. So maybe you don't like using the computer, using the web extensions, you could download it for your telephone, whether it be Apple or if it be Samsung, whichever you're using. And this is where you're going to find absolutely everything. Once you get done doing all that, you can even see the task center as well. So you can take some of the cash offers that they have as well. You can have some of the trending surveys and make a few bucks, like $2.30 right here. It's around 20 minutes, and you can complete these and earn some cash as well. A trial and earn, for example, like YouTube, they have available for you in stars. So jump into the description and go ahead and start saving some money with Coupert today.